Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the color of the original wallpaper on your iPhone lock screen and home screen. So if you get an iPhone and you change the color of your iPhone, the most popular one is a space black iPhone. And if you got this iPhone which is called space black, the lock screen wallpaper will have the same color temperature, color gamma, whatever you call it. But this can be easily changeable. Okay, so to do this we need to make a long tap on the lock screen. Now it will ask you to enter the passcode to unlock the phone to make the edits. So here we need to press customize. We choose lock screen. And here look, it says swipe between styles. So now I'm having the space black. Now if I swipe right, silver, gold, deep purple, all the available colors of iPhone, in my case 14. If you have a newer model, well, you will have different color gammas, okay? And now when you're done, you just press done. And I prefer to keep my normal space black gamma. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.